Hi my lovelies, welcome to On The Glow, your guide to skincare, beauty, and wellness right here on She Connects TV. I am so excited because I'm in this beautiful boutique hotel and I'm here traveling for work. What I do for work allows me to travel, being a digital nomad. I'm a producer always on the go, and there's certain essentials that I usually bring with me during my travels. Things that are staples, things that I sort of discover along the way that can help, either maintain or enhance my well-being. So I thought I'd take you through my travel essential kit, and hopefully any of these little tips and tricks could also help you when you travel on the go. Okay guys, let's delve in. So what do I have in this bag? Actually, tip for you guys is don't throw away all these handy makeup bags. I find them so useful to jam pack other things in. Now, I've got my sustainable beauty wipes. These I've been using now for the last 3 or 4 months. I like them. They're really good at removing makeup. And if you just want to use them as hand wipes, I even use this to wipe my phone because you can get a lot of germs on your phone. So these are super handy. This thing right here, I love this. I got this little pouch from Turkey. Every time you go and you shop at a beauty place, Boots, doesn't matter, any of those department stores, you always ask for samples because samples are so key when you travel because you can't bring your whole makeup and skincare kit with you. So I usually bring a couple of my favorite samples. Don't be too shy to ask as well. Serums, creams, a whole bunch of different things. So samples are really key. And when I bought myself a bottle of perfume, I ended up getting the mini version of it to travel size perfumes. And you'll be smelling good. I still bring all my essentials. I bring body cream, I bring, shower gel, I bring my shampoos and conditioners. So I try to find travel size or smaller packs. Obviously anything under 100 ml is doable if you are going on a quick trip and you have a limitation of how many products you can bring. Next up are face masks. Now, I know that they are very trendy, but they're so essential. And so when I'm traveling, I'm on the plane, I tend to put one of these. I don't care if people look at me and go, oh, you look scary. But I love the Dr. Jart, I think that's how you pronounce it. This pore solution one is really good, but it starts to foam and it looks really scary on the face. However, you feel like you've done this amazing deep cleanse and just ultra moisturizing, finish to your face. So I really like this one. This one is a deep hydration. It's really, really important for me to keep myself moisturized. Next, I've got some vitamins. Now, this looks like, what an old lady would have in her purse, but I just find this so handy because you can't really bring 5 bottles of vitamins, right? So what I've done is I've kind of separated them in my days, right? From Sunday to Saturday or Saturday to Sunday. And in there I have my key vitamins. What I'm currently taking right now is vitamin D. I'm also taking primrose oil. I'm taking folic acid. I think this for me offers so much discipline because I tend to forget to take pills. So these are essential. These are what my doctor recommended. And this just keeps me, happy and healthy. So a couple of skincare and hair care products that I will not compromise and that might take a little too much room in my luggage are these goodies right here. I always have some UV sunscreen protection. This one I actually discovered while traveling in Hong Kong. It's called Anessa, and I believe it's a Japanese brand, but it's just, the texture of this is just amazing. You shake it a little bit. It's like a milk lotion, SPF 35. I have the 35 and 50. And basically you shake it, you put it on your skin, and it just goes on so nicely. And what I love about it doesn't leave your sort of white residue that you get with a lot of sunscreens. Speaking of SPF, I have the Dr. Dennis Gross Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50. So I tend to go really high on my face, and I definitely never leave anywhere without SPF for my face. I love this, it's essential. This cleanser is amazing. So when I moved to London, I really wanted to discover talent from this region, and Oskia has an amazing collection of skincare products. So this is a Renaissance Cleansing Gel, and I also bring my jade roller as well. So if I want, I tend to use that to kind of help with lymphatic drainage. It's so good. So to maintain my hair, I keep it very simple. These are my two go-to products that I've been using currently. I've got the original Sprout Natural Curl Calmer. I use anything that, if babies use it, I'll use it. And I really love baby products. So this is no parabens, it's free and clean, it's amazing, 100% vegan, love it, and it's cheap and cheerful. This is good. And then just to upgrade my little hair routine, I love Aveda products. And this is the Smooth Infusion. So what it does, it defends against humidity for up to 12 hours. So I tend to use this as it helps reduce the frizziness. And then this device right here, this is a curling iron. It looks pretty wacko, but this thing actually helps boost my curls. Let's talk about snacks. This is one of my favorite parts of the segment because I love food, and I just love to have some healthy alternatives as we go out, we travel. And I don't want to sway myself and go grab a chocolate bar, a donut. That's not good, because all that hard work, doing circuit training, doing Pilates, then doesn't pay off. So these are a couple of my favorite essentials that I usually bring with me. One of which is just a bag of nuts with some coconut flakes in there. So this is reusable. I bring it with me, I stuff it, and if I'm traveling long haul, short haul, whatever it is, I've always got something to munch on. Next up are these protein bars. So if I feel like I'm lacking protein, or if I maybe done a workout and I need something to sort of fuel me up for the day, I tend to go for these protein bars. Actually, I got this tip from a friend of mine, Irene. This company is called Bear Bells, and they are 20 grams of protein. So this is really good to have, and they come in so many different flavors. And last but not least, I love my teas, specifically my herbal teas. Currently right now, I'm drinking my vanilla chai. So there you have it, guys. Those are my wellness and travel essentials for us women on the go. Thank you for joining me on this journey. It's always an honor to do these segments with you. I feel so connected with you guys. Thank you again for watching another episode of On the Glow. And remember, guys, keep glowing.